Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys are doing well. My name's Adriana Luna for all the ones that don't know, and I would love to have you guys on my channel. So please make sure to hit that subscribe button and also the little bell so you guys can be notified of my upcoming videos. So on today's look, you guys obviously, maybe you guys don't see it, but this look was inspired by the one and only Kylie Jenner, but I created this look using affordable products because I feel like it's much funner, you know? Is that a word, funner? It's much better to use affordable products for you guys to create this look. So if you guys are not following me on Instagram, make sure you guys follow me on Instagram because I posted this little quick, I guess, picture inspiration and all the products that I use and everything, which some did change, but most of them didn't. And you guys, I have an announcement. I submitted a application to be a part of the Sephora Squad. So I need all your guys' help, all your support more than ever. I'm gonna link you guys down below, letting Sephora know why they should pick me and why I will be a good Sephora Squad member. You guys, it will mean so much to me if you guys help me out. I can't even talk. I am just so excited for this, you guys. If this comes true, it will be a dream come true. Like, just amazing. I get to work with Sephora closely. I get to do work with other brands, fly to California to film in their studio, and it's just so many amazing opportunities, you guys, that I had to do it. I had to be just let go of all the fear and what can happen or not. So it doesn't hurt to try. So I would really love if you guys can support me more than ever. All my OGs and all the new subbies, please support your girl. So enough talking, let's jump right into this tutorial. So here is a gorgeous makeup look that I will be recreating for you guys. What mainly stands out is her cheeks, which are super pink, and then her really classic clean eyeliner. So I already have my foundation on, except for my contour and concealer. Tried in another video, maybe it's up already or not, but I tried a viral hack that's going around on TikTok, but it's been around for so many years. For this look, I'm gonna use so many affordable products, so I hope you guys really enjoy that. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys enjoy using affordable products or you guys like that expensive stuff, because I can start popping out the expensive stuff, you guys, but I love the affordable products. So I'm gonna start out with concealer all over my lids just to clean them up a little bit and take away all the redness. I'm going to set it with a little bit of the CoverGirl translucent powder. So for the shadows, I'm going to use Cozy, which is a brown gorgeous color, and I'm just going to apply it just a little bit because it is pigmented, just a little bit in the outer corner to bring some dimension, whatever's left inside. So now with a shader brush, I'm going to apply Ideal, which is more of a skin tone color, and just pat it all over the lid. Ooh, girl, that's pigment. So now for eyeliner, I'm going to be using, my first time using this Wonder Ink Rimmel London eyeliner pencil, and it's really precise. That's what you want, really precise line. And if you guys take a look at her picture, let me zoom it in pretty close. Her eye is just like at the outer is where it's really elongated. So she doesn't focus, or whoever does her makeup, in the inner corner. So it's mainly on the outer corner. So that's where we're going to focus. And that's why I feel like this is really good for that. So I'm going to stop right there, and then I'm going to be applying on my bottom lash line, on my waterline, an Urban Decay 24/7 eyeliner. I really don't like to do this because I feel like it always transfers to the bottom of my lid, but so for mascara, you guys, I'm going to be using this Rimmel London and it's the Volume Flash Scandal Eyes Mascara. For the lashes that I'm going to be applying are by the Balm Cosmetics, and they are the Big Fan in Paparazzi. They are more wispy, so it has that, you know, effect. So moving on to concealer, I'm going to be using this CoverGirl concealer in color Perfect Beige, and I feel like it's just to color correct, just cover. It doesn't brighten up the area on the bottom, so I'm gonna bring it close to the tear duct because I feel like it's really dark in there. I'm the only one that uses this, so don't worry. And my foundation is cracking with this new little hack that I'm trying for you guys. It's cracking. So now to brighten up the bottom area, because hers is like super bright in the picture, I'm going to be using again CoverGirl, but this time it's going to be Classic Beige, and you guys are going to see the difference. And I'm just going to bring it out to apply it right here because I'm going to be contouring the nose. And this concealers do dry a little bit fast, so you got to work fast. If not, wet your sponge. Going to bake using the translucent powder by Airspun. This has been my go-to. I really love it, you guys, and it's really affordable. And bringing it outward, we want this area to be nice and bright. So now to bronze the face, I'm going to be using this Profusion Highlight and Contour palette. I don't like the highlighter. I love everything else. You guys know that my ride or die is the Hula by Benefit Cosmetics. So I'm just going to dig into this 2 shades, which is medium and warm. And I'm bringing the contour inwards so I can look connected. And the brush that I'm using is also from Profusion Cosmetics. I feel like Profusion has a lot of amazing things you got. And with a cleaner fluffy brush that doesn't have any products, blend everything. Now that I got a nose job, I'm going to do the same thing to my face, and I'm digging into both of them. It's probably hear Little Man, he's playing. As you guys know how everything's going around. They don't have school. Their school has been canceled, which they love it. I love it.
Can I say hell no?
No, you can't say hell no. You want to say hi to my friends though?
Oh hi. Oh hi. These are all my favorite toys. They're pretty cool. Check them out at www.carlos.com.
What? I swear, you guys, you say the craziest thing. You guys gotta follow me on Instagram because you've been saying the craziest things.
And follow me on TikTok.
No, your TikTok's private.
That was rude.
Now, what I'm gonna do is apply blush in a lot. I'm the type of girl, if you guys know me in person, I don't do blush, but she has so much blush in this picture, so I found the perfect color that looks similar to hers, which is by Collab Cosmetics, and the shade on this brush is just for fun. I'm gonna use just a foundation brush and apply it. You want to apply it upwards, don't do down, because then your face is going to look droopy, girl. Doesn't it look just like hers? I think I nailed it. What I did right now is use these 2 colors right here, which is vanilla and peach. I mixed both of them and apply them right here, because in that picture it just looks like it's like really white, really illuminated. So we're doing our best to look like that picture. So now for the setting spray, I'm gonna use the Rimmel London Stay Matte. Oh gosh! So this one sprays like if I need a shower. And I had to come out with this lip liner that's so little, which is by Milani Cosmetics in Brandy, and I'm not sure if they still make it. But we're gonna line the lips, overline them first. Now to the lips, I'm gonna be using one of their new lipsticks by Wet n Wild, and this one, it's their Mega Last Matte. in color Never Nude. I've been using this one so much. Here you guys have the final result. All I need is to do my hair, and I feel like I nailed it. We have the bright under eye, nice pink cheeks, contour face, the lashes and the liner, making the eyes look nice and elongated. Really natural. Really, I feel like it will look good on anyone. This is one of my favorite looks from her. So there you guys have it. I hope you guys love it. I will link everything down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Comment down below what you guys are doing right now at this point with everything going on. If you guys enjoy celebrity inspired makeup looks using affordable products, let me know. Please, 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 you guys, please send me your testimonials. I will put the link below, but the testimonials really will help me out in order to move on to be a part of the Sephora Squad, which that would be a dream come true, you guys. That would be, I mean, I can't even imagine. Like, I'm thinking positive, but at the same time, I don't want to, like, you know, hype up myself because in case anything, but I just can't imagine if it happens and I make it to be a part of the Sephora Squad, you guys. Oh my goodness. That would be amazing. So thank you guys so much for watching. Everything will be down below, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.